I've honestly been blown away.
I genuinely feel empowered.
This is so unique.
We are here at Abnormal University in sunny Las Vegas. Come on in.
Sales Bootcamp is a week-long program where new hires from around the globe come together to learn, connect, and to share experiences.
We have such a tremendous lineup of speakers and presenters and workshops.
You're going to be connected with some of the best and the brightest in the entire company across our product organization, our go-to-market organization, our senior leadership, and of course your peers.
We want to inspire and excite people to be here because we are doing this really cool stuff. And by the end of this week, you should have a very strong ability to tell that story extremely confidently.
La compañía está haciendo una gran inversión en cada uno de nosotros que te inspira a dar y ser mejor cada día.
People early in their career are talking to people that have been in the industry for 20 plus years.
I feel welcomed, I feel wanted, I feel like my input and my insight is also welcome. It's a safe place to extend yourself because that's ultimately how we get better.
When I see the spark of learning and when everybody else is like clapping for them and encouraging and feeding off of it, I'm getting goosebumps right now. That's where I get so excited.
To know that I have the skills, know that I'm in the right place, it makes me feel so prepared to go out there and absolutely crush my job.
Long days, challenging days, putting you out of your comfort zone, but at the end of it, hugely beneficial.
I'm moving into my very first POV the day I get back from boot camp, and now I can confidently say I know what that process looks like, I know who I need to get involved at Abnormal.
The resources are here, the people are excellent, the opportunity is immense, so hop on board.